How to use basil seeds in different ways. Refreshing basil seed drink. First up, let's make a refreshing basil seed drink. Soak 2 tablespoons of basil seeds in a glass of water for 10 to 15 minutes. Once they swell up, add them to your favorite juice, lemonade, or smoothie. Enjoy a hydrating and nutritious drink. Weight loss. Trying to shed some pounds? Basil seeds can help. They are rich in fiber and can keep you feeling full longer. Add a spoonful to your salads, yogurt, or oatmeal for a healthy, weight loss-friendly meal. Digestive health. Basil seeds are great for your digestive health. Add them to your herbal tea to soothe your stomach and improve digestion. Simply mix a teaspoon of soaked basil seeds into your favorite herbal tea and sip away. Delicious dessert topping. Looking for a unique dessert topping? Basil seeds add a fun texture and extra nutrients. Sprinkle them on ice cream, puddings, or fruit salads for a delightful crunch. Detox water. You create a detox water by adding soaked basil seeds to a pitcher of water with lemon slices and cucumber. This refreshing drink will help detoxify your body and keep you hydrated throughout the day. So 5 amazing ways to incorporate herbsland basil seeds into your daily routine.